All right, guys, so we are here. Okay, we're here again with another contact lenses haul. You guys know I am a contact fanatic. Well, I used to be, but I'm just here showing you guys some of the contacts I picked up from TTDI. These are the 4 colors that I got, and this is the packaging, which I left for the holographic. I just want to pick a quick disclaimer. My eyelashes are falling off in this video, so they're old and they're dusty and they're crusty, so don't mind them. And my whole entire face makeup is just a mess. This was just a video I recorded. And it's an old video, by the way, so that's why I'm giving it a disclaimer. It was just all types of a sight. So don't mind the eye makeup. Yes, I see my lashes coming off. I do, and I know. But this video is gonna get done, however. So nobody need to come for my makeup because I know it's trash right now. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys how I put my contacts. I'm a little bit extra. I'm always extra with everything I'm doing. Dramatic, okay? So this is how I do it. There is a lot of ways you can do it, but you guys wanted to see how I put them in, and this is what I do, and it gets the job done. So the rest of the video is just going to be some music and just me showing you guys the colors I picked out. I do have a coupon code, and it's just my name, TJTEIJAE. Don't forget to check the description section below. It will be down there as well. If you guys are interested in purchasing any of these contacts, you can, save yourself some coins. So this is what it looks like in ring lighting, and it is daylight outside, so this is what it's going to give you. Mind you, if you take off the lashes, it's going to look different. That's just what it is. And if you're in a different lighting situation. So just wanted to give that quick disclaimer. Now that I did that, like I said, forgive me for the crusty makeup and crusty eyelashes and everything, okay? All right.